Let's do child pose. Okay, so keep your knees apart. So on Friday, I tried to do something a little bit relaxing. So knees apart, toes together or little apart. Forehead to the floor, arms beside you. Okay. If you prefer, you put your hands under the forehead. So forehead should rest on something. Forehead shouldn't be in the air. Okay. If you want something else, you can put cushion under the forehead if you like. So relax the arms to the side if they are side. So still keep watching your breath. Maybe lighter breath. Lighter breath now. Let's just change the arm position. So bring your arms forward. Okay, turn your palms up. Okay, if you need to put something under the forehead, then put cushion under the forehead or block. Okay, so forehead on the floor or on something, palms facing up. So very slight stretch on the arms. Now we bring the palms together and put this prayer at the back of the head. So if you need to, just have a quick look at me on the screen. So it's like this. If you walk your elbows just a step or two forward, you get a little extra stretch in the arm. Now come on up.